Alright, 2013 Honda Fit transmission filter. See that? That's it right there. Now, in order to get to it, you gotta disconnect your battery, take your battery out of the tray. You gotta take off all the air assembly. Alright. Now once all that air assembly's out, there it is. Right here. And you gotta loosen probably a 10mm, I'm guessing, right here. And then you'll have a clamp and a clamp. This will come up. Filter will only go one way because it fits in that way. And then you reconnect that, put the 10mm back in, and there it is. Then you put all this crap back together. I'll put a link down in the description for the filter I purchased. I got it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.